Good morning children. Hope you all are safe and fine. Now in this video we will discuss about minterms and max term. So earlier you have studied about in the earlier videos we have discussed SOP expression. So how you are taking the minterms using the SOP expression. Now we will discuss the difference between the minterms and the max term. So minterms is each individual term in SOP. SOP, what is SOP? That is sum of product is known as minterms. Means whenever we are writing the SOP expression is written as, let's take the example of SOP expression, A complement B plus A B complement. So this is SOP expression. So in this each individual term, individual term is known as the minterm. Each and every individual term is known as minterm, and when we combine these minterms with plus, then it is known as the SOP expression. So first of all, these are connected with plus sign, and individual term in SOP expression is minterm. So for representing minterms in the Carnot map or K map, you are taking 0 to be the complement variable. Whenever we have 0, then we will write complemented variable either in the K map or in the truth table. And for 1 we take uncomplemented variable. That is, if 1 is given, you will write the variable as A, B, C, whichever variable is there in the truth table or in K map. Similarly, the difference with max term is each individual term in POS expression, that is product of sum. What is POS? POS is product of sum. So each individual term in POS expression is called the max term. So how we will write the POS expression? Let's see the example of POS expression is A complement plus B, A plus B complement. So in these terms, this individual term and this individual term is known as your max term. These are your max term. So when we are writing the truth table, it is opposite to that of the min terms. In min term we take 0 to be the complemented variable, while in max term we take 0 to be the normal variable, that is uncomplemented variable. Here for 1 we take the complemented variable in max term. So these are the two difference. Examples of min terms are A complement B, A plus B, A B complement, A B. So these are all the min terms. We write min terms in this way. While max term we have the A plus B complement. So in this plus sign is in between, while in min terms we have the multiplication in between. So now let us see how we will write two variable function for min term and max term. Here we have two variable A and B. We have taken the position as 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So how we will write the min term for this? As you have studied, for 0 in min term, for 0 we take complemented variable. Here variable is given as A. So for 0 in min terms we are taking complemented variable. So we will write complemented variable as A complement, and for B also 0 is given. So for 0 we write complemented variable B complement. Its designation is represented as small m 0. Similarly for 0 we take complemented of A, that is A complement, and for B we have 1, so we will write B as normal variable. This designation is M1. Similarly for A we have normal variables. We take A and it's 0 here, so it is written as B complement. So this is M2 designation. We start from 0 and we continue further. For 1 1 we will write A B. This is M3. So this is the min term variables and min term designation. Similarly for max term we have studied that 0 is taken as uncomplemented variable and 1 is taken as complemented, opposite to that of the min term. Whatever is taken in min term, its opposite is taken in the max term. So here we have 0 0, so we will take max term as A plus B, since we are taking the normal variable, and it is represented as capital M1. Designation is capital M1. Now next one is 0, 1. So 0, 1 is written as for 0 variable. We have normal variable, and for 1 we are writing the complemented variable, that is V complement. So this is taken as, first one is your M0, like small m0 is here and capital M0 is here. Second one is M1. Now the next one is 1, 0. So 1, 0 is taken as A, B. 1, 0. So 1 is taken as complemented. So here it is. In this we have 1, 0. So 1, 0 is A complement B. So this is M2 designation. And the last one we have both 1 and 1. So it will be taken as, 1 is taken as complemented. So A complement plus B complement. That is M3. So this is our final table for two variable function. For two variable function, this is, so these are the min terms, and min terms are used in SOP expression and max terms are used in the cost expression.